Step up your home protection with this countdown of the best home security alarm system picks, a lineup that brings real peace of mind, smart tech, and quick setup to your doorstep. From sleek sensors to user-friendly control hubs, these top options are designed to fit every home and budget while keeping things dramatic and secure. Today, I'm going to be going over the best home security alarm system that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Tolvaviv Door Alarm System. This compact, wireless kit is designed for renters and first-time setup, delivering a straightforward door-focused defense with no tools required. The core of the kit is a set of magnetic door sensors that trigger a loud siren when the magnetic gap is broken, giving you instant presence and deterrence. Installation is intentionally simple. Peel and stick mounts for the sensors, a small hub, and a straightforward control panel that plugs into a standard outlet. The sensors communicate wirelessly with the receiver, so you don't have to run wires through door frames or drill holes in walls. Sound level of the alarm is adjustable, letting you choose a sharp, piercing tone for daytime protection or a quieter chime when you want proactive monitoring without alarming neighbors. Battery operation means you can place sensors on doors that rarely close flush against the frame, or on rental doors where you can't make permanent changes. The system's modular nature means you can add additional sensors or switch out the door-only focus if you want to expand to windows or basement doors later. Range between the sensors and the hub is sufficient for typical apartment layouts, and the kit's compact footprint ensures it fits on a shelf or behind a door frame without drawing attention. The value here is clear: fast deployment, immediate notification, and a non-intrusive footprint that keeps your living space looking as you want. For many users, this is a gateway into home security that doesn't require professional installation or ongoing monthly service commitments. Compared to the Tolvaviv Home Security Alarm System, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the door-focused setup emphasizes rapid placement and door-specific coverage while leaving room to grow if you decide to scale up later. At number 4, we have the Tolvaviv Home Security Alarm System. This is a full-fledged, feature-rich kit designed for those who want comprehensive home protection with room-to-room coverage and a scalable sensor array. The 15-piece configuration provides a central control hub, a keypad for quick arming and disarming, several door and window sensors, a motion detector, and mounting hardware that makes installation feasible on ceilings, walls, and inside closets. Hub acts as the brain, collecting alerts from all connected devices and routing them to you via audible alarms and, when available, app-based notifications. The sensors employ reliable wireless signaling with short response times, so a door being opened or a window being broken triggers an immediate alert. Motion detector extends security into shared living spaces, with configurable sensitivity to minimize nuisance alerts from pets while still catching intruders. Kit often includes remotes or key cards for simple arming without entering a code, which is especially convenient when you come home with hands full of groceries. Build quality is designed for apartment living and small homes with compact sensor enclosures and clean, unobtrusive wiring. The system's expandability means you can add more sensors later to cover hallways, stairways, or just a nursery. Benefit here is broad protection. You aren't limited to a single entry point, and you have a central control experience that's coherent across devices. Compared to the Tolvaviv Gen 2, which I have included as number 3 on this list, this model offers a slightly larger footprint, but richer, centralized management that shines when you're protecting multiple doors and rooms. At number 3, we have the Tolvaviv Gen 2. This is the next generation sensor suite that improves reliability and expands compatibility across Tolvaviv's family of products. The Gen 2 line emphasizes upgraded sensors with longer-lasting batteries, faster wait times, and reduced false alarms through smarter signal processing. Kit generally supports wireless expansion, with an emphasis on seamless pairing between sensors and the central hub, so you can add a doorway sensor and a motion detector without reconfiguring the core system. You'll notice a sturdier build and tighter integration between the hub, siren, and remote control options, which translates into quicker arming, smarter delay timers, and clearer status indicators. Voice prompts or app-based dashboards, when present, provide real-time feedback on battery life, sensor status, and tamper alerts, making maintenance easier and more predictable. Gen 2 iteration also tends to improve anti-tamper features, so if someone tries to disable a sensor, you'll get a dedicated alert. Expansion remains a strong point, with room to incorporate additional door, window, or environmental sensors as your space changes. Practical effect is confidence. You can rely on a modern, responsive system that keeps up with daily routines while remaining ready for future upgrades. Compared to the G45989, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Tolvaviv Gen 2 offers deeper integration with a broader ecosystem, an easier expansion path, and more adaptive performance across varying home layouts. At number 2, we have the G45989. This GE system is known for straightforward, dependable protection that prioritizes plug-and-play setup and clear, actionable alerts. The kit typically includes a control panel with a simple keypad or remote entry, along with door and window sensors and a dedicated siren. Assembly is designed to be quick. Mount each sensor with adhesive or small screws, place the panel on a counter or shelf, and pair the devices through a guided sequence that requires no tools beyond a slight press of a pairing button. Performance-wise, you can expect reliable wireless communication between sensors and the hub, with audible alerts that can deter intruders and remind you when doors or windows are left open. The GE system is often praised for its balance of cost and reliability, making it a strong choice for first-time buyers who want a credible, trusted brand without the complexity of larger smart home ecosystems. Maintenance is typically straightforward as well, with battery checks and sensor tests that are simple to perform during routine cleaning. Expansion may be possible, but can be limited by the design of the hub or the available sensor formats, so planning ahead helps. Paired to the Kerui Security Alarm System Kit, which I have included as number 1 on this list, GE emphasizes solid basic protection with predictable performance and fewer bells and whistles, appealing to users who value reliability over feature breadth. At number 1, we have the Kerui Security Alarm System Kit. This kit represents a robust, all-in-one approach to home protection with a broad sensor set, including door and window sensors, a central hub, a keypad, and remote controls. Kerui system tends to focus on affordable, reliable hardware that can be installed quickly with minimal tools, making it an excellent option for apartments, dorms, and rental homes. Sensor modules are designed for easy placement, with weather resistance in mind for exterior doors and windows, yet compact enough to blend into living spaces without drawing attention. The hub coordinates the signals, stores alert logs, and generates audible alarms that cover the immediate area with a clear, loud tone. Remote arming and disarming are common features, with user-friendly interfaces that let you set schedules, test sensors, and monitor battery life. Kit's value grows as you add more sensors over time, expanding protection to hallways, stairs, and secondary entry points. Battery life is typically generous, and the components are designed to stand up to regular apartment vibrations and everyday use. Key advantage is versatility. You can tailor the system to different door configurations and even supplement with environmental sensors for smoke or gas detection when supported by the brand's ecosystem. Paired to the G45989, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Kerui focuses on a broader accessory set and more aggressive pricing that makes it a compelling option for hands-on installers who want solid performance without paying a premium for advanced smart home integration.